guys, it's Cal here. Do you know what day it is? It's a day we've been waiting for quite a while now. It's the first day of Christmas. It's time to open our very first one from this 2025's Christmas Advent Calendar. Do you have your ugly sweater? Did you get your PAA ugly sweater this year? So, we are going to do a shave, but we're going to do it a multi-speed. We'll talk about the Advent Calendar in just a second. Going to go with my PAA Quantum with the Alpha plate. First time using this. I bought this on the secondary market quite a while ago from Bill Kohler with thanks. So that is that one. Thanks to Bill. Going with our 24mm Moonstriker Snickel Synthetic. It's in the bowl, ready to go. And of course, brand new Strangelip blade in the razor. I also have the Omega plate washed and ready to go should I need it. So let's find out what Fran, Douglas, and Huxley have put in the PAA synthetic, or PAA Advent. Oh, by the way, we don't have our bathroom done up for Christmas, but maybe I can edit in something. Let's see if we can do this. So, let's see what's behind box number 1. So, we have our Splash soap sample, guitar pick / soap scoop. Ugh. And if I can get it out of here, a little write-up. I'll get my readers and see what the heck we have going on. I have been waiting for this for a while and I'm so excited about this. So, sweet potato pie. Ooh, it smells like pumpkin pie. Oh, yummy. Cannot wait. So what do we have here? This is probably what, about a ½ ounce, 1 ounce? And we have here, I believe this is 1 fluid ounce of the matching Splash. Oh my God. It's like pumpkin pie with lots of vanilla in it. Let's see if you can see that hiccup. So, very cool guitar pick. And let's read from our write-up. Sweet potato pie, scent profile, candy jams, marshmallow cream, brown sugar, citrus, spice, and vanilla. In the South, pumpkin spice doesn't reign supreme. Sweet potato pie does, baked with sugar, spice, and topped with marshmallow cream. It's the true taste of homecoming. Legend says George Washington Carver once wrote 118 recipes for sweet potato pie. Let's make that 119. The holidays in the South has its own dessert. The humble sweet potato, whipped into pie and crowned with marshmallow peaks. It's a history baked right into tradition, a dish of resilience, resourcefulness, and straight-up deliciousness. Every slice tastes like a story told at the table. Note, the top of the soap will be brown due to the vanilla. All is well. Love the paper it's written on too. Isn't that just so cool? So, I'm gonna take this, whip it up in our Phyllis Sharp lather bowl, and do a multi-speed shave, put on some Christmas music. So, thanks to Douglas, Fran, and Huxley, this set was sent to me for review purposes, and I am super excited. It's a perfect way to start Christmas day number 1. So, we are back and got her cleaned out. Now this video is not a tutorial or a review on the Quantum Safety Razor. Got me there, but that was my own fault. I raced through it and just had real bad angle for that spot. Wow. Oh, love that pumpkin pie and vanilla. Okay, sweet potato pie and vanilla and spices. Oh, wow. Now for the aftershave splash. I don't get the sweetness right away on the splash, but I definitely detect more of that sweet potato and less pumpkin-y. So, wow. Anyway, what an amazing way to start this on the first day of Christmas, the first of 12. So this is sweet potato pie from the Phoenix Shaving 2025 Advent Calendar. The next few days will be in the truck, and then the week of Christmas I will be home. I'm taking the week off for vacation, so the next 5 days, so 2 through 6, will be from the rig without a shave, and then subsequent days will be from here at home. So anyway, thank you guys for checking this out. If you get a chance to try this scent, I highly recommend it. It's what a great way to start. So anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow with the second day of Christmas. Take care. Bye-bye.